हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल। आज की हम वीडियो में जानेंगे कि फ्रैक्शंस क्या होते हैं और वो कितने टाइप्स के होते हैं। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। लेकिन स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आप इस तरह की और वीडियो और इन्फॉर्मेशन ले सकें अबाउट मैथ। सो फ्रैक्शन, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द फ्रैक्शन, फ्रैक्शन इज a upon b. Like any number, we write it like a upon b in division form. So we will call it as fraction. So fraction is a upon b, and a is numerator and b is denominator. So this is called fraction. If we talk about the type of fraction, so we have two major types, like proper fraction and improper fraction. So proper fraction are those fraction if numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. This is numerator and this is denominator. So then this is called proper fraction. An example are like 1 upon 3, 4 upon 5, and like 7 upon 11. These are the proper fraction. And if we talk about the improper fraction, so here is opposite of proper fraction. Like numerator is greater numerator than denominator, and smaller is denominator. So this is called improper fraction, and the examples are 3 upon 2, 7 upon 3, and 11 upon 17, and so on. If we talk about the mixed fraction, so mixed fraction are basically the combination of the whole number and proper fraction. And we know that the proper fraction are if numerator is smaller than denominator. So it's called proper fraction. So examples are of mixed fraction is if like 1 and the proper fraction is 1 upon 3. You can say next to 3 and proper fraction is 4, 5, 2, 7 upon 11. So these are the example of the mixed fraction. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel for more video and for more information.